Hey Stampers, Gainer again. I'm just coming on to have a show the pocket swap I'm sending to Denise. I'm going to show it you, but you won't see it till after I know she's received it, because it'd be unfair to let her see what she's getting before she opens it. So I did the same with Lorraine, because Lorraine doesn't film, and I don't think the lovely Denise does, but I just wanted to share you what I've done for her. So I am sending this cute little pizza box. Oops. Let me get my screen on. There we go. Just making sure I'm in focus. There we go, that's better. So I am going to be sending this cute little pizza box. It's got a window inside and some little handmade cards that we had in a kit. So they're going to the lovely Denise. I like to gift as well, so... Oh, and I've been watching loads of these, and apparently you're supposed to put a tea bag in. Well, I made these a couple of weeks back, but the tea bag itself is huge, and I don't think it would, no, it would definitely not fit in one of the pockets. So I'm going to send her tea bag like that. And I'm not sure if she's a coffee drinker or a tea drinker, so I'm going to send her a lovely cup of mocha as well, which is like a coffee hot chocolate. I'm gifting her the scented candles in the box. I haven't put a window in this one. It's just, oh, I can't tie bows very well, but I've done a double bow, and this is Christmas themed, thinking of you in love, because I've done Denise's one. It's mostly Christmas items, so she's having those as well. I've made her a rosette giant paper clip too. Am I zoomed out? Yes. And I'm just going to send her one of these pads. They're all little sticky notes, so I bought them the other day in the shop. So they're those little extras that she's going to get in her box with her pocket letter as well. So I'll pop them to one side. And then I'm going to show you her pocket letter. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look, I decorated this one up quite nicely, I think. Let me take it. It's got a beautiful flower paper clip. I bought her, whoops, if I can get it out. Is it going to come out? Oh, there we go. I bought her a lovely gem with her initial. I couldn't get my words out. So I've popped one of them in for her, even though I've got her name on here anyway. So that's in that pocket. This is temporary adhesive. So and inside here is the rest to make a decoupage card. This is on with a glue dot, so you can remove this. I had these wooden letters in another kit, but I didn't have 2 E's. So what I did is I run cardboard through with our big letters, and I folded the paper and run it through to get the 2 E's, and it's double-sided both sides, look, with paper on both sides. But if she removes that bit, pulls out the other items, she can decoupage that and put it on a card front. So I've added temporary adhesive on there. She's got some teddy bear cutouts in this one. Oh, aren't they so sweet? There's 3 or 4 of those in there, and then the N for off her name, so it's D-E-N-I-S-E. In here I've put in some silver foil embossed sheets and some beautiful pink flowered, I think they're adhesive on the back because there's a glue strip through there. So I've done a little washi on some corrugated foil. It's just a quick one, this one. I can get it back in. Oh my gosh, I finished this one off this morning. I was a bit late because Denise said she hadn't even had her pocket letters delivered yet. So I have done some banners in different cardstock and with a flamingo paper clip to hold them all together. In this one we've got all different types of paper clips. There's the flamingo ones, there's the feet ones, and then there's in here there's a bow, a heart and a star. So there's a packet full of paper clips there for the wonderful Denise. Whoops. So I'll pop them back in there. And they've got they're filled pockets both sides. In here I've just put some gorgeous red love heart gems and some rhinestones. In this one there's some corner clips. There are some bells, there's some buttons, and there's some trinkets from Stampin' Up. And then on the back, whoa, I've put a beautiful ream of ribbon in there. In here I just seen something fall out. It's a tiny little washi tape on a dispenser with some tiny little washi tapes. So they're in there. In here we've got some stickers from the Santa workshop and the Santero girl. The sticky notepads for Denise to have a scribble about on. And this is a shaker. It's got all your sequins and gems and love hearts. And a beautiful butterfly. She's got some birthday banners, some little pegs, and some more wooden elements and Stampin' Up products in there as well. I've popped on one of those beautiful tassels, absolutely gorgeous, and loads of ribbons, all to tie in with more Christmassy colours, so I hope she likes it. I think it's absolutely cute as a button, and I'm getting better, so, oops, there we go. I just added temporary adhesive, which you can get from Hobbycraft, most places actually, and then I'll just stick, I'll pick that up after. I will stick that back over the top there, and I will pop a little note in to say please remove the E and the decoupage inside, and you can build that up for a card front. So yeah, this is the lovely Denise's one. I hope she loves it when she gets it. I had so much fun making this one. I added more decoration to the outside as well. I fussy cut the candy cane out. I popped the tree on. Some stickers here, snowflakes. There was something on there, but I can't remember where it was. And there's another candy cane and snowflake, the butterflies. I just hope she likes it. So that is my pocket letter swap for the gorgeous Denise Whitehouse. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Sorry it's not so long, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.